this is the galvanic rust that happens when you have steel washers and aluminum. And yeah, this is another one, and the toughest one that I'm not actually going to get out is located under here. Like, it's impossible to remove it without actually removing the silencer. And yeah, I've placed this one. There is another one, this, another one here, one here, one here, and one here. And yeah, I basically removed all of them. I use WD-40 ratchet wrench, and yeah, basically I'm going to replace all of them except for this one here. After some thought, I came up with an idea how to fasten this without removing the bolt here. So yeah, the idea basically is, so yeah, you see the bolt here. It stands on like a bracket, like you had on the other guys. And yeah, you basically get a wire through it and through the hole, and then you get one of those plastic washers, and you get the cable through the hole, the bolt ends of the cable, and you fasten it in the end. So this is what it looks like in the end. So yeah, it's a bit weird, I know, but it holds it. Yeah, basically the cable is curled up above the washer, then goes through the aluminum heat shielding, and then to the bracket that's on the car, and that's how it stands. And yeah, it seems sturdy. Wait, let me show you. I mean, it's not perfect like the other ones, but it might rattle. I'll tell you after a test drive. But yeah, the other ones are a lot sturdier, like they don't move at all. So yeah, basically 5 out of 6 washers are now as they should be, and just one is sketchy. But yeah, I'll do a test drive and I'll give you a report back if it worked. So it's been 3 weeks now since I've made the repair, and I can happily say that the rattle is gone. I've made like 5 long trips, like 1 hour at least, and the plastic washers are still holding up. The weather was also pretty hot, so, but yeah, it's still spring, so it would get even hotter, but for now it works. There is no rattling noise, the plastic is holding up, it's not melting. So yeah, definitely do this fix if you want to save up some money for a new heat shield, and yeah, you want to get your hands dirty.